How to fix can't import this element on CapCut. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. So starting off, all you have to do is press and hold onto your CapCut application and head to App Info. For stop it, head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. Next, head back from here. Now open up your Play Store. Tap on the search bar to search for CapCut. In here, we are checking for any available update. If there is any, just leave for an update or uninstall the application and reinstall it later. Then check out your phone settings. Scroll down to the bottom, then select on Apps. Head on All Apps and search for your CapCut. It is the alternative way to force stop your app and clearing up the cache buildup. While you are in your settings, head back and check out the system update. Make sure your phone is up to date so that it can support some of the version of the app. Now, finally check out for your Wi-Fi connection. When your Wi-Fi is acting super slow, you might face such problem as well. So make sure that your Wi-Fi is at optimum speed as well. And that wraps up this tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.